Hello students, good morning you all. Today we continue the probability concept. Last class we discussed the probability problems based on a deck of cards or else a pack of cards. Like out of 52 cards, 4 divisions are there. Spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs, like 2 colors, red, black. And what are face cards, what is a knave card, jack card, one more name is knave card. Understand all this information we learned in the last class. Before that we did problems on dice and as well as coin tossing. Okay, now today we are going to take up a problem on one more basic type of problems under probability concepts, which is nothing but choosing of a color ball from a bowl or else bag, urn, box. So these are various terminology generally used in the probability problems. Different color balls would be there and they ask what is the chance of choosing a wanted color ball. Understand? Now let us get that idea by solving this wonderful problem. Okay, so see here, a bag contains 7 white, 6 red and 5 black balls. Okay, now 4 balls have to be drawn. What is the chance for 2 white and 2 red balls? And also find odds against to the wanted probability. So remember that this word is very, very important. Now in the problem sometimes what happens, they use these words odds in favor, odds against. So here odds in favor means happening probability. That is already given. What is that? The chance for selection of 2 white balls and 2 red balls. Okay. Now odds against means non-happening of the wanted probability. So let us suppose that if A is the wanted probability, then A bar becomes the probability of what you call not happening of the wanted event or wanted what you called result. Now you know how to get this. So whenever we calculate the A and 1 minus A, you will get what you call A bar. The same concept here also. So what is the relation? P plus Q is equal to 1. This is the standard formula. You should not forget this formula, isn't it? No. Now what is the relation? P is equal to 1 minus Q, or else if you want Q, 1 minus P. So these relations are very, very important. Instead of PQ, what you are writing? A and A bar. So probability of success, probability of failure. Okay. Now here I am going to give the answer in a very, very short format. So this is also one more way of finding the answer. But to get the full marks, what is required? You need to solve as what to call as usual, just like what we did in the previous problems. So let us suppose that A is the wanted event. Let A is the wanted event. Wanted event. Then what are the total number of ways? Therefore, total number of ways of drawing how many balls? 2 plus 2, 4 balls. So total how many balls are there? 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5. Okay, 18 balls are there. So overall, how do you get here? 18C4. So from 18 balls, you are picking 4 balls. Understand? Then what are the favorable number of ways? Favorable number of ways. Now be careful when you are finding the favorable number of ways. Here, though 4 balls have been choosing, but 2 of different color, 2 of one more color, isn't it? So let us imagine selection of 2 white balls. As you all know that the 2 white balls can be selected from all available white balls only. So how many white balls are available? 7 white balls. Out of these 7 white balls, how many ways you can select 2 white balls? 7 C2 ways. Combinations. Okay. And 2 more balls have been drawn, but those 2 balls are what color? Red color balls. So red color balls can be selected from red color balls only. So how many red color balls actually existing? 6. From this 6 red color balls, 2 red color balls, how many ways you can pick up? 6 C2. Understand? Now here, what is the favorable number of ways? You need to get these 2 balls and these 2 balls. Not as these 2 balls or these 2 balls. So what is the connecting word here? What is the chance for 2 white balls, 2 red balls? So both should be happen. So whenever AND comes, what is that connector I told you? Multiplication. If you want, you can put into or else dot. Both symbolizes same meaning. Now we got the total number of ways, the favorable number of ways. If you want, I can put here small l. And now here small m. Then what is the required probability? Therefore, required probability. Required probability. So how to write that? Nothing but the probability of A. So what is that formula? Favorable number of ways by total number of ways. So how to get? So 7 C2 into 6 C2 whole divided by 18 C2. Okay. Now we go for simplification. So how to get the 7 C2? Now 7 shift NCR 2. So is equal to how much? 21. 21 into 6 C2, how much you will get? How do you get? 6 shift NCR 2. So that is what? 15. Okay. Whole divided by. Now 18 C2, how do you get? 18 shift NCR 2. So how much you will get? So what is that? 18 C4. Okay. So how do you get? 18 shift NCR 4. So how much you will get now? 3060. 3060. So which is nothing but, so 21 into 15. So how much you will get? 315. 315 by 3060. So in terms of decimal value, how do you write? That is 315 divided by 3060. So how much you will get here? 0.10294 something. In terms of percentage means into answer into 100. So how do you get here? 10.29411% something. Okay. Now what is the one more answer required? Odds against to the wanted probability. So against to this, what are the probabilities? Understand? So that